Ever wondered how pilots are trained to handle the vast skies and the complex machinery they control? The answer lies in the intricate dance of pedagogical strategies employed in aviation training. The right teaching methods can play a pivotal role in shaping the competencies of future pilots, guiding them through the theoretical, practical, and critical thinking skills they need to excel in the cockpit. As the vast expanse of aviation opens up for a new generation of pilots, the approaches and pedagogical strategies used in their training become essential for the success of this complex educational process. This is where the theory meets practice in often challenging ways, and the choice of the right pedagogical strategies plays a crucial role in shaping the skills of future pilots. From traditional methods to advanced educational technologies, the field of aviation training is a diverse landscape. It's a realm where chalk and talk lectures coexist with cutting-edge flight simulators, case studies, and hands-on training. The aim: to facilitate the absorption of theoretical knowledge, foster practical skills, and cultivate the critical thinking and adaptability needed in the cockpit. Consider the use of flight simulators, recreating specific flying conditions, or debriefing sessions that stimulate reflection and self-evaluation. Or how about game-based and collaborative teaching strategies that encourage active involvement and peer learning? These pedagogical tools put an emphasis on innovation and personalization in aviation education. By blending aviation expertise with solid pedagogical principles, instructors are equipped to navigate the diversity of students' learning styles and effectively address the challenges of flight training. This approach encourages a reflective and creative outlook on teaching, inspiring instructors to explore new horizons in education and build a solid foundation for the pilots of tomorrow. Thus, pedagogical strategies represent an essential guide for any professional in the field of flight training, providing the vision and tools necessary to transform the learning process into a stimulating and profound adventure, preparing students to soar high and confidently navigate the challenges of modern aviation. The right pedagogical approach can truly shape the future of aviation. Let's delve into some real-life cases where pedagogical strategies have proven their worth in aviation training. Case 1. In the world of aviation, theory and practice often intertwine. This is beautifully exemplified in a training module where flight simulator sessions are interwoven with theoretical lessons. The trainees are introduced to the concepts of flight dynamics in the classroom, which is then reinforced in the virtual cockpit. This blend of traditional teaching with advanced technology allows the trainees to apply the theoretical knowledge in a practical, risk-free environment, thereby deepening their understanding and enhancing their skill set. Case 2. Another impactful pedagogical strategy is the use of debriefing sessions. After a flight training exercise, instructors conduct debriefing sessions to review the flight, discuss areas of improvement, and reinforce good practices. This reflective practice encourages self-assessment and critical thinking, which are vital for a pilot's professional growth. Case 3. Let's talk about the use of game-based learning and collaborative strategies. In one aviation school, instructors utilized multiplayer flight simulation games to foster team spirit and cooperation among trainees. It created an engaging and dynamic learning environment where trainees learned to communicate effectively, make swift decisions, and work as a team, all essential skills in the cockpit. Case 4. In an innovative move, one training institution integrated virtual reality technology into their curriculum. Trainees were able to explore different aircraft models, understand their intricacies, and practice emergency procedures in a realistic yet secure setting. This immersive learning experience significantly enhanced their technical knowledge and confidence. And finally, Case 5, a noteworthy example of personalized learning strategies, comes from a flight school that adopted a tailored approach to instruction. Recognizing the diverse learning styles of their trainees, instructors customized their teaching methods to cater to individual needs. This adaptive teaching strategy resulted in improved learning outcomes and greater trainee satisfaction. These case studies clearly demonstrate the impact of effective teaching strategies in aviation training. In a field where theory meets practice, how do we ensure effective learning? The answer lies in the diversification of teaching methods. As we navigate through the vast sky of aviation training, the blend of theoretical lessons, flight simulators, case studies, and practical training becomes the North Star guiding us to a comprehensive learning experience. Let's take a moment to unpack this. Theoretical lessons form the backbone of aviation training. These sessions provide the essential knowledge framework needed for a deep understanding of flight principles, regulations, and safety procedures. To maximize their effectiveness and ensure a comprehensive and lasting understanding, it's crucial that these lessons are well-structured, interactive, and tailored to the diverse needs of students. Next, we have flight simulators. These invaluable tools recreate specific flight conditions, allowing trainees to apply their theoretical knowledge in a controlled environment. They offer the opportunity to experience and manage a variety of flight scenarios, from routine operations to emergency situations, without leaving the safety of the ground. Case studies, on the other hand, offer a different perspective. They provide real-world examples of flight situations, fostering critical thinking and decision-making skills. Case studies challenge trainees to analyze, evaluate, and devise strategies, honing their problem-solving skills in a way that theoretical lessons or simulations alone cannot. Finally, practical training. This is where theory truly meets practice. Trainees get hands-on experience, operating aircraft under the watchful eyes of experienced instructors. It's here that they learn to navigate the unique challenges that come with piloting an aircraft, from managing complex systems to dealing with unexpected situations. In aviation training, it's not just about knowing the theory or being able to operate a simulator. It's about integrating these elements, along with case studies and practical training, to create a holistic learning environment. This diverse approach to teaching allows trainees to develop knowledge, skills, and understanding in a profound way. A diverse teaching approach can truly enhance the learning experience in aviation training. And that's not just theory, it's practice. As we've seen, the right teaching strategies can make a world of difference in aviation training. From traditional methods to advanced educational technologies, pedagogical strategies play a crucial role in shaping the skill set of future pilots. The blend of theoretical lessons with flight simulators, case studies, and practical training provides a holistic learning experience. This diverse approach promotes a deep understanding of flight principles, regulations, and safety procedures. Moreover, it's important to remember that teaching strategies aren't one-size-fits-all. They should be tailored to meet the individual needs of students, fostering a dynamic and engaging learning environment. By combining aviation expertise with sound pedagogical principles, instructors are equipped to navigate the diverse learning styles of students and tackle the challenges of flight training efficiently. In the vast skies of aviation, the right pedagogical strategy is the compass that guides the journey of learning.